The 2026 Everest takes its tough and capable presence and injects significant modern sophistication and bolder styling. Replacing the previous headlamps are all new units with sleek and modern C-shaped daytime running lights, DLLs, that frame the grille. This is now a Core 4 design signature seen on the F-150 Ranger. Optional matrix LED projector headlamps, located within the C-clamp DRLs, are the main projector headlamps. Higher trims Titanium Plus Sport offer advanced matrix LED, technology for adaptive headlamps that dims the glare so as not to dazzle other drivers. The front bumper is redesigned with larger and more functional air intakes and comes with integrated fog lights. The new alloy wheel design is offered across the range, ranging from 17-inch to 21-inch options. The Sport trim usually gets the largest and most aggressive alloy wheels in a dark color. The biggest update to the rear is the sleek and modern full-width LED light bar that connects the taillights. This creates a nighttime signature and significantly enhances the premium feel. Revised rear lights. The individual rear light clusters are redesigned with a more elaborate internal LED pattern, complementing the light bar. The rear bumper is subtly reshaped, often featuring integrated step pads and redesigned reflector positions. The interior of the Everest 2026 undergoes a revolutionary transformation, shedding its utilitarian feel in favor of a truly modern, tech-laden, and premium cabin. It bridges the gap between rugged capability and sophisticated comfort, positioning itself firmly among, and often ahead of, premium competitors in the segment. CenterStack replaces the old horizontal screen with a large portrait-oriented touchscreen measuring 12.4 inches or an optional 12.8 inches depending on the market trim. This screen dominates the CenterStack and is the center of almost all controls. The armrest, door cards, and upper dashboard area use significantly improved soft touch materials compared to the pre-facelift model. Front seat power adjustable. 8 to 10 directions with high trim memory. Excellent bolsters for support, heating, ventilation available. Very comfortable for long trips. Second row, 60/40 split bench seat or captain's chairs depending on market. Ample legroom, headroom, and shoulder room. Backrest, slides fore is aft. Rear climate control, USB port. Captain seat adds a sense of luxury. Third row best-in-class, accessibility wide doors. Second row folds forward. Legroom is acceptable for medium-sized adults on shorter trips. Good for children. Headroom is very good. Easily foldable third row high trim. Competitive cargo space behind the third row. Leveling the second and third rows creates a large, almost flat load floor